How to draw the Texas Christian University logo. First, right here, we are going to draw a T. We will start by drawing a slightly slanted line for the top of the T. Then from either side of that line, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards that's going to be kind of short. Next, we are going to draw a slightly slanted line going to the right from the left side of the T right here. Then we are going to draw a similar line to that one, but this will go to the left and start from the right side of the T. Great job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw a straight line going upwards from the two slanted lines we just finished drawing. Then from those lines, we are going to draw a very small line going inwards towards the middle of the T. Awesome! Now from each of those two small lines, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards. This will be the middle of the T. Great job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now to finish the bottom of our T, we are going to draw a rectangular shape that does not close at the top, in between the lines we just finished drawing. From the bottom left of the T, there is going to be a line going to the left, and then from the bottom right of the T, there is going to be a line going to the right. Then we are going to finish off the rectangular shape by drawing a line going downwards from the left, and then a longer line going all the way across the bottom of the T, and then a line going upwards connecting to the line we just finished drawing. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our T looks great. Next, we are going to draw the C in the middle of our page. We will start by drawing a straight line just to the right of the T. This line will be going up and down. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a diagonal line that goes downwards and to the right, and then continues going straight to the right, and then goes diagonally upwards to the right as well. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw these same three lines on the top part of our C, connecting to the top of the straight line we drew on the left. Awesome job! From that line, we are going to draw a small straight line going downwards, and then from the bottom where we left off, we are going to draw a straight line going upwards. Awesome! Now we are going to draw two straight lines going to the left from the two lines that we just finished drawing. Then to connect those two lines, we are going to draw a similar shape as the one that we did for the big outline of the C. This is just going to be drawn smaller for the inside outline of our C. So that you can follow along, I will stop in between each step that I draw for this part. If I'm going a little too fast, feel free to pause the video. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the U right here. We will start just to the right of the top of the C and draw a rectangular shape that does not close all the way in the middle at the bottom. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a shape just like this one to the right of it. There's only going to be a very small space in between these two shapes, and these will make up both sides of the top of our U. Looks good so far. Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw two straight lines going downwards from right here and here. Looks great! Now from the two lines that we just drew, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards and to the right from both of them. The line connected to the inside line on the right is going to be much smaller than the line connected to the left line. And then from these, we are going to draw two lines going to the right, and then two more diagonal lines going upwards and to the right, and two more straight lines going up and down to finish our U. This is how to draw the Texas Christian University logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more logo tutorials in particular, check out our logos playlist. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.